Alright, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope you have a wonderful day today. But you know, there's a few trending topics I see popping down so that we need to discuss. Not in any particular order, so it's extremely important to watch the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's just kick it off with Dancehall King Vybz Kartel, because even though he's a one burner done, him still in that trouble with the dolly them. You see, I know we see this female, Moncherie, that, you know, he collaborated on a few songs. He's coming back on social media, you know, putting him on blast. You see, and this time she is revealing that he is jealous of, I don't want to say his arch nemesis, because, you know, Alkaline on him level, but at that she has said, you see, because I'm not released a song, them and I thief up the royalties from Vanessa Bling. A whole heap of thing with people. So let's hear what I go on for that to go on, and then I'll proceed.
Yes, this message is for Kartel. Alkaline better than you nigga. Alkaline been better than you, nigga. That's why years ago when I used to follow Alkaline, he messaged me and told me not to follow him. And do I ever lie? No, I don't. You told me to unfollow Alkaline because you were jealous of him. You're nothing but a bitch, Kartel. You owe all your fucking artist royalties. That's why you can fucking buy all these mansions and shit like that, because the baddest female song you've ever made was Gates of Heaven. Well, not maybe the baddest, but one of the best, besides Vanessa Bling. Have you ever paid her royalties? She has to work for everything she has. A good thing I'm rich and my parents are rich. I don't have to beg anybody for anything, especially you. Fucking Vybz Kartel, you a fucking bitch, nigga. And you want to see real bad man? Come to St. Lucia. I'll show you a real bad man. I'll show you real fucking gangsters. Cause you were never a fucking bad man. Bad man no go to fucking jail, bitch. I know real dons from my country, and they've never been incarcerated. Actually, they protect the politicians. Kartel. And your host to them that we know nothing about, that probably take how much black cock in the UK before she met you, bitch. I don't know who the fuck you fucking with, but you're not fucking with Moncherie at all. You ugly frog. You're not as bad as you think, Kartel. The comment is coming. What comment? What comment? Man, I didn't match, dog. What the fuck is that? Cause in a war man master colder than a fucking Alaska, bitch. And your show is going to flop. Mind my words. Fuck you, Kartel.
Yes, put in the comment section where you think about that. It's why people reach out, you know, cause she not leak the boss secrets, you know. As you know, Moncherie relationship with Vybz Kartel is, you know, you see me, my people. You know what I mean? She's a good artist, though. You feel me? Just like Vanessa Bling. But you know the things that in the music, you know, when an artist or a boss putting money into an artist, them have to pay that back. You see me? That's why most royalties and things, you don't know the things said. But I'm just giving that update on that aspect. You feel me? Now, you see Shawty in front of you, feel me? She's going to address some of bad mind people towards her. You know, rolling with Kartel now. And you know him doing what he's doing. You see my son?
People, hey Jabas. One thing I want to ask people, how you so bad mind? It appear you know, to wake up and just hate on somebody, well literally just live them life and just try in a life. More no. Tell me, it appear you know, for bad mind on next person? Like we just get up and just hate on the next person? It's open my face too much. Like, I want to do it. I'm not too fucking bad mind, man. Like, come on. If you don't really know me, you don't know me, it's not a people person. I don't really like people, I don't really dig people. But my energy, I'm an energy person. So when I go away, I not have a lock off to myself. I spread my energy. I give energy. That's me. So I don't understand, oh, one quick cook. Oh, people bad mind, so I don't understand when me go out and me do their own. I don't feel like say want to see me around Kartel and me want enough of myself. You can't go around them man there unless them man they call you. Some of us want to get that on a fucking thick skull and know that. And know this too. No say Anna just yesterday, me and the boss a link. Know that. What some of did there when him in a prison and want strength. No, una never did no way. But you feel like say see some people they run now, want to tell them say oh them too enough or oh them not deserve to get a highlight or oh them not deserve for in the position with them in. Remember I never come and hype on nobody I never tell nobody say oh this and that and that and that. No, I hold my own. Always hold my own. So I want to somehow a little drunk.
And you can check out more of what she's saying on my Dancehall Story channel you see in front of you. Over there, so just straight bagger and mix up. You see me say what that I go on with situation with the Gaza people that you see me. Now time for some dolly mix up because you know shade nice, but it look nice. You see me say, well, the surgeon lady that exposed spice business in Dominican Republic just released VR file. You see me say, this is because, you know, some other people is, you know, critiquing Jay Nice after, you know, she is promoting some, you know, wasting and all of this stuff. So Jay is explaining, you know, the process that she went through to be looking how she looking because these people on your screen have so much to say. You see, Marcin?
Butt shots don't matter. All butt shots do is make your butt bigger.
Hey, Miss Tina. Happy Sunday. It was brought to my attention that you are so adamant about my body, the work I done, or procedures, which I have no problem with that. Everyone is entitled to their opinion. You know, this is what social media is for. My only problem is I just asked you to do one thing. Fact check and do your research before adamantly making multiple videos about me and my body, right? Now, Google is free. All the images are there. I've never ever deleted a picture at all. I have no problem of you seeing my glow up. Also, it's actually plenty of videos of me talking about what I did, right? So, you're right. Blood shots doesn't do anything but enhance your butt, whatever you say, right? So far as the lipo, the BBL, the tummy tuck, I've never had any of that. You're saying there's no way that she can have a small waist and legs and butt or whatever the case is. That's 100% false because I have a small waist. I've never had lipo, never had a BBL, never had a tummy tuck. The thing is, hence, you know, you can go to my page. I always had a small frame. So where would I get the fat from to have a BBL? You know, come on now, use this. Lipo, why would I need to get lipo? I already had a small frame. Now, you are correct saying that abs are made in a kitchen, but you're saying there's no way that I eat the way I eat and have the stomach that I have. Once again, you're wrong. And social media, you only see a good 1% of my life. So you can't say what I do and what I don't do. Yet, hence, I actually do work out a lot. I do go to yoga a lot. I do a lot of self-care. That's all part of my self-care. I don't kind of have to post it. That's my self-care. Okay? So, what was I saying? Oh, yeah. So back to the weight training. Now, you should know because you're a trainer. You know, you got to build muscle and weight gain to kind of have like the perfect legs. You know, the quads, the hamstrings, you know, like the perfect toned legs. That's something that can't kind of be obtained with surgery. If it was, you know, it will come with the BBL package that y'all would say. Y'all know y'all say these BBLs be killing y'all. Y'all say that because the legs don't match, right? So the only way to get nice, toned, thick legs is going to the gym. Weight training and building muscles. Hence, I would think you would know that because you're a trainer, right? So all I ask you to do is please do your research before coming on the app. What I did, I do not recommend at all. So I do not promote it. I have a lot of young women that follow me. I don't want them running to do what I've did. It's not safe at all. Okay? Now, I got mine done a long time ago when it wasn't a big thing, right? So, a lot of things that they have today, they didn't have back then. So, it's actually a couple safer routes you can go. I don't recommend what I've done, but go the safe route. I'm all for getting surgery. All I said is, please fact check and do your research. Stop letting these surgeons fool y'all and say, hey, I've worked on Jai. It's 100% false. They have not worked on me. I've not had a BBL. I have not had a lipo nor a tummy tuck. It doesn't, come on now. Do your research. And also, plenty of times I've stated what I have done. I do not promote it at all. It is not safe. Okay? It's not. And another thing, y'all, to my young girls, grown woman weight is a real thing. I didn't get to my body goals a little bit until I got 30. All I know is the weight started coming on and I started looking proportionate and good. But I think that also had to start when I, dropped Cooking with Jai in my cookbook. So y'all kind of got to understand, I'm all for surgery, but surgery give you results. That's good. But the gym give you results. That's great. So when y'all be like, oh my God, everything matches. I built muscle. I weight train. And, like she was saying, shots don't mean nothing, right? Yeah, y'all know anybody body naturally hangs inside. In order to get it sitting up nice, proportioned, and toned, you have to go to the gym. It's no way around it. And people be like, surgery, surgery, surgery. Even after you get surgery, you're supposed to go to the gym. You have to upkeep it. I don't get why would you spend so much money and not upkeep it. That doesn't make sense. And then you're talking about, waist trainer, waist trainer, waist trainer. Well, waist trainer actually works for me. It helps me not overeat and it helps me waist train my waist and stomach. Hence, within 3 to 4 months, my waist dropped 2 inches with just waist training, cutting out my diet and eating a little better and working out too. So to come on this internet and tell these people they can't obtain my waist is wrong. And you say like, the way she eats. Once again, I have a very high metabolism. So I actually burn more calories than I actually intake. So that's the problem that I'm having now. That I work out, run, and do all that, but I'm not eating enough. So I actually kind of got to force myself to eat 3 to 4 meals to keep up, or I need to not burn so much calories. But once again, that's my body. And you're a trainer, so you kind of should know these things, okay? Some people are naturally small. Some people don't gain weight in certain places. You're talking about her arms, isn't that not big? I just don't gain weight there. Everybody body is different. Hence, you're a trainer. You kind of should know these things, right? That's why it's so important to do your research. Another problem I have is I can gain weight, but keeping the weight on is another thing. If I miss a few meals, maybe 5 to 10 pounds is gone. I want to be a certain weight. I want my legs and my body to be toned. That is my goals. Everybody have their own body goals. Those are my personal goals. And I got this waist. I don't got the abs. So you keep on talking about the abs, girl. The abs ain't there yet. Give me a little more months. Give me a few more months. The abs will be there. They ain't there yet. But I got this from working out. It's no surgery. So you can get on this app and say whatever you want to say. I've told you what I have done. So when y'all be like, oh my gosh, she's lying about surgery. I've never had it. I've never had a BBL. Never had lipo. I've never had a tummy tuck. What do y'all want me to say? Y'all want me to lie? I'm very open about what I have done. I just don't promote it. It is actually crazy. And it's not safe. The things that people are doing and to get a certain look is absurd to me. Go get it done the right way. I couldn't get a BBL because I had no body fat. Where would they take the fat from? Okay? So Tina, I hope you have a blessed, happy Sunday. I hope this answered all your questions. I wish you the best with your training career and your ebooks or programs or whatever. But just please, once again, just educate yourself. Google is free. Bye.
And if you're looking for her to give you a recommendation, there you go. He said, well, like me said, the surgeon lady that Export Spice is saying this on the J Nice thing. I'm saying, she said, guys, she had shots, biopolymer shots, the illegal ones that are, made with non-biodegradable material. That's why she doesn't want to talk about it and doesn't want to promote it. Some people putting out the comment section, what do you think about that? Because you see Nikki Chromas, they said to say, she get the beating. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Now, before we end the review, yeah, you know, say them both for lock up. We're Dawg, you know. Police is just doing some further investigation, looking at the surveillance footages from the club and the street, you know, highways, you know, Dunkin' Donuts parking lot. Because we know, say, World Dawg was the aggressor. You feel me? Him step to sinner, which is squash his security and things and things. You know what I mean? And butter and them bust off in a self-defense. You see some people. So, you know, it's going to be, you know, quite evident that him going to get locked up. So hopefully him have him money saved and him can get lawyer and them thing. Yeah. But me giving him more updates another day. You see me? So let's keep the thing locked. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we drop our next video or even go live. Bless.